All right, here's the headlines for tonight. Some mild conditions temperature-wise, but a little bit of a wind, so wind chilly on our overnight and into Wednesday. Chance for some mixed precipitation, freezing drizzle, some frost, and some light snow will make for some slippery roads here. But if you're careful, we should be missing the brunt of the storm system Thanksgiving Day. Cold north winds blow in, a chance for some light snow across the region. 32 in Langdon now, 37 Valley City Oaks, 34, and we have a lot of mid-30s across portions of western Minnesota. Right now, 33 Bemidji, Roseau, 32 degrees. Hector International Airport, it's still mild, 38 on the thermometer, but it feels like 33 thanks to winds that are from the east-southeast at about 10 miles per hour. And in the Grand Forks area right now, 35 and an east wind at 9, making it feel like it's in those upper 20s. Clear skies in southern and central Minnesota, but clouds are building into the valley and points west right now. And the radar even showing some light snow taking place in the oil patch. And again, this is far away from any radar sites, so there may actually be a little bit more of this than meets the eye right here on the radar right now. But if you're traveling out west, just know there's some light snow and some freezing drizzle. As we go through the overnight hours, we can see where the bound of clouds is, and that's where the best chance of some freezing drizzle and light snow will be during the overnight hours. Big snowstorms starting to take shape in the Rocky Mountains of Montana, and another separated area of snow developing in Saskatchewan right now. Winter storm warnings, blizzard warnings, winter weather advisories for the elevated terrain of Montana and Wyoming. For us, the brunt of this system is missing our area. Here's what you can count on as we go through the overnight tonight. An increase in clouds, wind from the south keeps temperatures very mild, but south winds bring with them moisture, so we'll have more of that frost and haze and fog, and that frost forms on road surfaces, making things very slippery, as we talked about last night. Temperatures overnight will dip down into those upper 20s and low 30s. That's mild. Wind will be easterly. Snow misses us to the north for the most part, but anywhere we have clouds, there'll be a chance of that. Spits of freezing drizzle, freezing on the roads and sidewalks, making things a little slippery. As we head through the late day hours, wind becomes northerly. Temperatures peak about, 5 to 10 degrees colder than they were for today. And north winds become a little gusty late on our Wednesday. Again, quiet, with a decreasing chance of freezing drizzle late in the day. This storm system really starting to take shape in the mountains of Wyoming. It will work its way into South Dakota as we go into our Thursday. But for our forecast, mixed precipitation in the early hours, that's our best chance. I don't think we'll see significant accumulations of ice or snow. Temperatures in the 30s will be feeling mighty cool thanks to north winds gusting to 35 miles per hour with a few decreasing clouds late. 20s north of Highway 2. 30s for the rest of us, maybe close to 40 down in South Dakota with some spits of precipitation. All right, Thanksgiving Day in the morning, the storm system exits into portions of South Dakota, bringing stormy weather to southern Minnesota in the form of freezing rain and snow south of the Twin Cities. Beautiful frosty picture. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. 27 chilly degrees on our Thanksgiving Day. That's the cold air. It gets here, and it'll be the coldest on your Black Friday morning. Single-digit morning temperatures. Friday, it looks like temperatures will moderate a little bit into the low 30s. How about near 40 again for Sunday? And another storm system makes its way through the region Monday and Tuesday of next week and misses us, at least the way it looks now, to the south. Good.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
A single player stepping up to lead the way. Why NDSU men's basketball coach Dave Richmond says he aims to see Bison basketball take a different path this season. That story's coming up later in sports.
And don't be too anxious to take off for your holiday destination. What steps should be taken to make sure you're prepared first?